Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing my April, I don't even know what month it is anymore, my April Boxycharm unboxing. I just wanted to do a super chill look today. There is like one product in here that I'm super excited about. I kind of have a look in mind like what I want to do with it. It's a palette, by the way. But I have a look in mind that I kind of want to do, and I'm kind of going for like this very chill look today. I have my hair up. By the way, I just want to say, whoever brought back and made like the giant like claw clips trendy again, bless your soul, because I used to wear my like claw clips all the time, like you know like the big claw clips like in middle school all the time when like I didn't want to do my hair, and now she's coming through. She's giving it a look, you know? If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription box. There are a few different subscriptions that you can do with Boxycharm. I just have the base box, and that is the one that I'm going to be doing it today. I will link it down below for you guys if you want to sign up for yourself. It is an affiliate link, so if you do use it, I do get like a tiny little commission from it, but if you guys don't feel comfortable using affiliate links, by all means, just go to the Boxycharm website yourself and you can sign up there. So yeah, let's get into it. This theme is sweet treats, and I feel like the palette in here is very fitting for this like little theme. So this is from Dragon Beauty. I don't use this brand and I don't really use color correctors, so I'm just gonna put this aside. It does retail for $25, and this is the lavender one. Like I said, I don't color correct, so I'm just gonna put this aside for a giveaway, but I wanted to mention it really quick because it is in the box. That was the first thing. The next thing that we have is this bottle right here, and this is from the brand TREENZ. I'm probably saying it wrong, but this is a body cleanser, which I'm actually really excited for. Is that just like a fancy way of saying a body wash? I don't know. But this retails for $22. It's like a really nice bottle. Obviously, I can't try this right now since I'm not in the shower, but it says it's an organic, low-foaming, aromatic, and soft cleanser suitable for all skin types, infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee and rosemary extracts in fusion with verbena oil. They tone, purify, and protect the skin, while aloe vera nourish and softens it. So this actually sounds really nice. Let me see what it smells like. Oh my god, I can't open it. Hello? Oh my god, oh, there we go. This kind of smells like, if you guys have ever smelled lemon verbena from Bath & Body Works, that's what this smells like. But I'm excited to try this out. I'm always looking for like really good body wash or body cleansers because I have super extremely dry skin, like all over. I have like normal dry skin like on my face, but like everywhere else I have super dry, so I'm always trying to find something that doesn't like irritate my skin or dry out my skin even more. So this is a low foaming cleanser, and yeah, I'm excited for it. I'll definitely keep you guys updated if I end up like really liking it or something, so stay tuned for that. This next thing that we have in here is from the brand Earth Harbor, and this retails for $32. It says it's a Aurora Superfood Luminous App oil. Is that an oil? I don't know. It's green. Oh, Sea Greens Cannabis Sativa Hemp. All right. Give your face illuminating superfood nutrition with harmonizing sea greens and cannabis sativa hemp oil, plus pacifying grapeseed oil and neem seed extract. Serenely energize and soothe the skin while revealing a dewy luminance. So I'll try this out. See if it smelled like what the ingredients are. It actually doesn't really have a smell. Okay, I can kind of like smell a little something, but we'll try a little bit. I'm just gonna take like 2 drops. I already have moisturizer on. It smells earthy. Very earthy. Feels nice on the skin. I don't know, like it's supposed to just leave you like luminous, I guess. Plant-based, it has no GMOs, it's vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, and sustainable. So no gluten, no soy, small batch made, and it's women-owned. So that is awesome. This is really pretty like bottle, like it looks really nice and aesthetically pleasing. The box is really nice. So yeah, like I said, that retails for $32. So that is that. So moving on to what I'm most excited for. This is the Natasha Denona Jubilee eyeshadow palette. I love these colors so much. When I saw like the little sneak peeks that Boxycharm does, I was like, please let me get this in my box, and we did. I'm so excited, and I don't know why Maybe because I've been holding like the ColourPop 5-pan ones, but this one seems really big. Retails for $48. It says it's a special edition palette created exclusively for Boxycharm, featuring 5 colorful, ultra pigmented shades that bring together a combination of celebration and balance between bold and pastel tones. This fun palette is packed with Natasha Denona's iconic buttery smooth formulas made with the highest quality pure pigments, dazzling chroma crystals, and luminous pearls. So that is the palette. I'm going to use this. Let me go ahead and prime my eyes really quick. I have a look in mind. I hope it ends up translating to what I want it to look like, but yeah, I'm really excited for this. So I'll be right back. Gonna go prime. So let's jump into the palette. I'm going to go ahead and start off first with Intense, I guess that's the name, this one right here. Really pretty, like mid-tone rosy pink. So I'm gonna just start and put this on the outer corner. And I'm gonna start off lightly because I don't know how pigmented this shadow is gonna be, and I want to keep it pretty soft. So I'm kind of going at an angle right here, packing and blending. It isn't as like pastel as I thought it was gonna be, so that's why I was like trying to keep it pretty soft. So I'm gonna just try to use whatever I laid down and blend that out so it's not too bright, you know, if that makes sense. Only taking this halfway. I'm not going in the inner half, the other half, like the inner part of my eye. Okay, so now I'm gonna take like a flat brush like this, and I'm gonna take the yellow one in here called Limoncello, and this one is a shimmer, so the more inner half of my eye. So I'm just gonna pack this on. Ooh, that's really pretty. I'm just bringing that up to the crease as well. I'm just gonna blend that into the pink. And I'm just going in with my finger to kind of blend that out even more. Shimmer is really pretty. It looks almost kind of like, it has like a greenish tint to it, which I really like. I'm gonna go back with that pink and just kind of go over that so everything is nice and seamless. I originally was gonna put the like teal color in my inner corner, but I think I'm gonna use it as a liner. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use it as a liner. So let me see. Let me try it on the back of my hand first. Ooh, that's really pretty. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna use this as a liner. And I'm actually going to spray my brush with some setting spray. This is the 4th Ray Do It spray, just so it kind of goes on a little bit nicer as a liner. It actually looks really pretty as a liner. Just like that. And it's super simple, but it still adds like a little something, a little bit in the inner corner. See how that looks. So I'm going to do this eye really quick. I'm going to finish up the rest of my face, and then we have one more product left, so I'll be right back. Alright, so the rest of my makeup is on. I went for a very natural skin moment. I'm wearing the Fenty Skin Tint, Fenty Cream Blush. I mixed this one with the new to me, Freck Cheek Slime, the Auric Glow Lust. I have on the Fenty Cream Bronzer. I'll leave everything that I have on my face down below. Like, was the exact look that I had in my mind, so I'm really happy that it like came to life. So we have one product left, and this is from Laura Geller, and this is the iconic Baked Sculpting lipstick. This one is in the shade Battery Park Bronze. It retails for $21. Let's try this out. If it doesn't match my vibe today, we're changing the lips, but it's like a really pretty bronze color. Like I said, I don't think it's gonna go with my look, but we're gonna try it. Very metallic. It feels so weird going on. It kind of feels very like, not gritty, but I don't know. But this is what it looks like. I feel like this actually might work for like a different look, but for this look today, I'm gonna say it's a no, but it's a cute lipstick. I think for like very summery bronze look, and I wasn't wearing like pastels, I think it would work. But we're gonna take this off. We're gonna ignore the glitter on my lips. I'm just gonna use my Fenty Slip Shine in Retro Rose. My lips are super dry too. Perfect. I've been loving like very like natural skin moment lately. This look is very much giving model off the clock, but like still trying to play with color a little bit, but like doesn't want to be too much, you know? That's what this look is giving. Like a model in springtime trying to play with color, but not too much. I'm here for it. Anyway, so that was everything in this month's box. Let me add everything up. Okay, so this one's box was worth $148. Not bad. I actually really liked this one's box. I feel like there was a lot of good stuff in here. I really liked the palette. I think the palette worked really nicely, and I like this little like color combo I have going on from the palette. So I liked that. That oil that I used earlier felt really nice on the skin. Makeup went on over it really nicely. The cleanser, the body cleanser, I'm excited to try. And like I said, that lipstick is really cute, but like for a very specific look, not like this, but maybe for something, like I said, super bronzy, like maybe going into like summer, I think it would work. And yeah, there was just that other product in here that I don't see myself using, so I'm just gonna give that away in a giveaway or something. But overall, I actually really do like this box, and I feel like it definitely is giving me like springtime. I feel like it like fits in perfectly for like April, so I like it. Anyways, yeah, I hope that you guys like this video. Leave me a comment down below what you guys got in your box this month. I want to know what you guys got. Did you guys get the same things as I did? Did you guys get anything different? Anything that you guys got that you thought I might like? Just tell me in the comments down below. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.